With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Our question is, red hot carbon removes oxygen from the oxide XO and YO but not from ZO. Y will remove oxygen from XO. Use this evidence to deduce the order of activity of these three metals X, Y and Z, putting the most active first. So we over here are supposed to basically give the order of activity of these three metals X, Y and Z, right? And the data given to us is that red hot carbon remove oxygen from the oxide XO. That means, for example, this is the kind of reaction we are talking about. We are reacting C with XO and this carbon is basically removing oxygen from this oxide, right? So we can say that this is the kind of reaction that we are talking about, right? So this is not exact reaction, this is just an arbitrary reaction that we are taking for our help only. This can happen when carbon has a greater reactivity than X, right? And they are saying that carbon remove oxygen from the oxide XO and YO. So similar goes with YO. If carbon reacts with YO, it can basically remove this oxygen. So we can say that carbon is more reactive than Y as well, right? But not from ZO. That means Z is basically the most reactive one. It is the most reactive one, right? And then they are saying that Y will remove oxygen from XO. That means Y is definitely greater, more reactive than X, right? And Z is the most reactive one. So we have Z first of all, right? And in case of X and Y has a greater reactivity than X. So then we're gonna have Y, and then at last we're gonna have X, right? So this would be our order of the reactivity for these metals. So if we look at our option, Z, Y, X is given in option number 2. So these are not correct option, these is the correct option. So our answer to this question is second, that Z is the most reactive one, right? Because no other metal can displace basically oxygen from Z oxide, right? And then we have amongst Y and X, Y is more reactive, so we're gonna have Y at second position, and then the least reactive is the X one.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.